Hi friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will just learn what is MS Excel. MS Excel was developed by Microsoft. It's a spreadsheet program that is used to organize data into rows and columns. It performs mathematical calculations and functions. Uses of Excel. It's used to organize data, perform financial analysis, and almost all functions of business, small scale to large scale. The main uses of Excel include data entry, data management, accounting, financial analysis, charting and graphing, programming, time management, task management, financial modeling, customer relationship management, which is also called CRM. Almost anything that needs to be organized. Data entry, as shown in the picture, it's just called data entry. You can make any form, you can start with the serial number, name, phone number, address, and designation. For suppose you are maintaining the data entry for your employees. Data management. Data management is the practice of collecting, organizing, protecting, and storing an organization's data so it can be analyzed for business decisions. Accounting. In accounting, we make bookkeeping templates, invoices templates, inventory management sheets, or accounting ledgers, cash and bank statement ledgers, so it helps to maintain the accounting. Financial analysis. Financial analysis are made once you prepare the financial statements using MS Excel. Then you can analyze a company's performance and trend by calculating financial ratios like profitability ratio or net profit ratio. Charting and graphing. After you make the data in tables, or you just store the data, make the financial statements, like if you just make any template for sales, then you can make the charts and graphs to know the trend of your business and just to know the analyzation of your data. Programming. Excel is also used for using visual of our applications, like this application is called VBA, using the macros. Time management. MS Excel can be used to make time management templates for time management. As you know, for the employee name, one attendance schedule is shown as an example. Also, there is a time management template for daily schedule. Task management. You can use any template or you can make any performa on the Excel for planning and managing your tasks on daily basis. This is a list for the task management, like you can just use my task to name the task, then start date, due date if it's complete, no additional notes to the task. Financial modeling. Financial modeling templates you can make there, like profit and loss account or income statement, cash flow statement, or balance sheet, in which you can use the formulas, you can use the other mathematical calculations, which makes it easy to make the calculations. Customer relationship management. Like this is a small template or small form in which you can maintain the customer record, like customer name, phone number, address, payment terms. Then you can make additional fields for email ID and if you need any additional data. That's it for now. We'll see you in our next video, inshallah. Thank you so much.